In this video, you will learn how to rotate image in Photoshop. First, you duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J. Press Ctrl T to transform the image. Once you press Ctrl T, you will see an anchor button here at the center. If it's not there, you have to check this button to make it active. You can now change the position of your anchor to this point by selecting this. Then you take your mouse outside the image and your cursor will look like a bowl. Then you click and drag in the direction you want. You can also choose this point and this. And any other point to anchor your image before you rotate, just like this. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.